Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to create table variables. Table variables are usually used when you have data that encompasses multiple rows and multiple columns. So typically, let's, for example, what you would use for storing details of customers or details of books, like author, ISBN, everything for each book, right? So for that, we use table variables. To create a table variable, we have to remember a table variable itself is made up of single variables. So here, let us go to attribute creation. We will go to AI action form. And among single variables, I am just going to look for So I have a lot of device related data here. I'm going to create a table variable using a few of these variables, right? So I will probably have the device status and take the device name and the make, the model, right? A few of those things, and I'm going to show you how to create a table variable. So this is where you create the single variables. Click on this tab to create a new table variable. Go ahead, click on add new variable. After this, for the data type, right now we will deal with only lists. The display name should be device table name. So we will call it device table. And since it's a table variable, you may want to suffix it either with TBL or LSD, depending on what you're using for. Here, I'm just going to write device so I can get a few things out here. I should have a make variable and a model variable. Let me just get those two. Make, model, and name. Get a device name somewhere. Okay, let's get make, model, and manufacturer. Manufacturer, and then tag number. Yeah, tag number. As you can see, these are the attributes of a device. Rather than storing single items, I now want to store it as a table, which is why I am creating a table variable. I have called this table as a device table, and these are the columns that will be there. I'll be able to store multiple rows of data. So let's go ahead and click on save. So this is how you create a table variable. If you click here, you will be able to see what the different columns are there in here. You can always edit the columns. You can remove columns, or you can add new columns and just click on update. So that's it for table variables. Thank you.